Certainly has been a warm stretch of weather over the last few days in the northwest. Today, not quite as warm. Looking at more low to mid 60s rather than near 80-degree highs. Central U.S. still dealing with flooding, and I think this is going to be a thing over the next several weeks. We'll talk about that, of course, and northeastern parts of the nation will be dealing with some rain and snow. All right, so another day with 70-degree highs. Seattle up to 79. Same for Olympia, Portland, Oregon at 75. All records. By the way, that's 79 in Seattle. Ties the all-time record high for March. And we tied that set yesterday or 2 days ago as well. So 3 days in a row we had 75-degree or high temps in Seattle. Feeling, again, very much like almost summer. Temperatures running 20-25 degrees above average. And we're going to be into the low and mid 60s this afternoon. There's some 70s showing up in the southern U.S., also down into Florida. 53 in Minneapolis or thereabouts. So temperatures, again, in the central U.S. running a little warmer than average. Still a little cooler, though, out near D.C. as we're 7 degrees below average. As we slide early April, we're getting indications of another cool down. The good news is that it's not January or February anymore, so we talk about a cool down, and it will be above freezing for daytime highs rather than into the sub-zero range. Again, a little bit wetter than average as we slide into that same time period. It's not like we need any more moisture. Again, significant flooding in Nebraska causing some damage there. And a lot of rivers here in the central U.S. are running at flood stage, even major flood stage. In some spots could be dealing with a record flood stage, especially with as much snow as we have on the ground still, that still yet has to melt. The good news is that we don't expect any significant rainfall anytime soon, but things could change as we slide into the end of the month. Storm system in the southwest, bringing with it some isolated strong to severe thunderstorms, also some snow in those particular areas. But we're also dealing with some snow in the northeast. Decent rain.